I was given these organizers so that I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. It comes with a bunch of the tab labels as well as all of these sheets. I was really impressed with how many come in a pack. They are all 3-hole punched for you, which is amazing, and they have one side with the diagonal pocket and the other side with the standard folder pocket. It comes in the blue as well as a red, a really bright fun yellow, and green. The material is nice and thick, and I think it's going to be really easy to keep clean and kind of wipe off. They bend without being, it won't create any creases in it. And so I feel like they're really going to hold up, and they have a really good quality to them. And the plastic for the folder feels like it's really well done and reinforced so that it won't split after many, many uses. I decided to organize everything, and we are going to start writing on some tabs. I love how they have the top stack, and then they also have the bottom stack all adjusted so that you can view all of the tabs and they won't cover each other up, which is just going to make it so much easier to be able to have so many of these inside of my binder and keep it all neat and organized. I decided to start organizing my life by getting some of my favorite accessories and creating the folders so that I can track my to-dos as well as track dinner ideas, learning ideas for my little one, and just starting a section of moments of joy to be able to just jot down anything that I am experiencing in my life or my kid's life to just kind of remember it. It fit perfectly inside of my 3-ring binder, and I will say I would love if it came with more tabs in case I made a mistake or I wanted to change up the sections. Also, the pen smudged a little bit, so I might play around with exactly which pen would work best so that I can have just a nice, neat, and organized looking binder. I really love the size of the pages because it makes it so that a standard 8.5 by 11 printer paper kind of hides behind it and is not larger than the tabs. So it's just really going to help to keep everything looking neat and organized. And overall, I loved the quality of this, and this is definitely going to help me organize my 3-ring binder. I really highly recommend these and think that they are going to work out fantastic.